Wi-Fi enabled. Kwikset Halo Smart Lock is a Wi-Fi connected door lock that connects directly to your home Wi-Fi network and smartphone for a secure smart home that does not require a third-party smart home hub, panel or subscription. 250 customer user codes. Create up to 250 unique user codes for friends, family, or guests that you can disable, or delete from the Kwikset app. Set schedules for custom user codes from your smartphone using the Kwikset app as well. Receive notifications. Receive notifications of your lock's activity and view the lock event history from your smartphone using the Kwikset app. SmartKey Security. Protects against advanced break-in techniques and allows you to re-key your lock yourself in seconds. Secure Screen. Patented security feature for Kwikset touchscreen deadbolts that prevents on-screen fingerprint user code identification by employing random digits prior to entering a personal user code. Introducing the Halo Wi-Fi enabled Smart Lock. It's the uncomplicated way to get smart lock security and smart home convenience using your home's existing Wi-Fi router. Operate, manage and monitor the lock with your smartphone using the Kwikset app from anywhere there's an internet connection. Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a keyless entry electronic deadbolt featuring SmartKey. Using the Kwikset app, you can lock, unlock, program up to 250 user access codes, and receive notifications from anywhere there's an internet connection. This single-cylinder deadbolt can be locked or unlocked by using the keypad or key from the outside as well as the turn button from the inside. The rich tones of iron black add the finishing touch to this product. The iron black finish provides a rich and warm complement to the product's style-patable phone devices include Apple iPhone 6, Apple iPhone 6s, Apple iPhone 7, Apple iPhone 7s, Apple iPhone 7 Plus, Apple iPhone 8, Apple iPhone 10, Apple iPhone 10s, Apple iPhone 10s, Apple iPhone 10s Max, Apple iPad Air 2, Apple iPad Pro, LG G7 Think, Google Pixel 2 XL, Google Pixel 3, Google Pixel 3a, Google Pixel 3 XL, Samsung Galaxy S7, Samsung Galaxy Edge S7, Samsung Galaxy S8, Samsung Galaxy S9, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, Samsung M30, OnePlus 6, Motorola Moto X, Xiaomi Pocophone F1.